Thunderstorm Watch number 268, effective until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Adams, Allen, Blandford, Grant, Huntington, Jay, Kosciuszko, Wabash, Wells, and Whitley, and the following counties in Ohio: Paulding and Van Wert. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging wind in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.